All right, so if you're sending out dispute letters and they're coming back updated, verified, or they're not just deleting the item, a couple of reasons why that could be happening. It's not getting to a human, it's going straight through eOscar and they just giving you a random number saying that this item was verified. Here's a dispute process I like to go through. Depending on where you at in your process, you could either follow along or you could actually just pause it, wait for a few, like a month or two, let that paperwork reset and start the process all over again. So if you got a charge off, the first letter you want to send out is explain to them that this account that you claiming that is charged off is unknown. You want to let them know that this account, that I have no recollection of this particular account. Even if you do, it is their job to prove the fact that that account is yours by word of paperwork, some signed contract, some form of agreement showing that that account is yours. So you always deny, never admit guilt. So you send out that letter, come back, it's verified. They say, yeah, their account is yours. Now you asking them, how did you verify this account? You stating in the letter, because you're keeping all this paperwork, you state in this letter that the last letter you sent, you let them know that that account is unknown. So how did you verify this account? I need the documentation for you to prove that. Now they send back another verified letter, because the process is not just the easy process. It's usually lengthy, takes some time, maybe 1 or 2 letters. It depends. So now you have the third step would be your method of verification. Now you're asking them, how did you verify this account? Usually you don't even have to even get to this far. Usually, depending on what type of accounts that we're disputing, you don't even have to get to this far. But if you do have to get this far, you're asking them, what was their method of verification? How did they verify this account? Did they call Joe Smo at the XYZ company? Did they fax over some information? Like, how did they do it? So once they come back and say it's verified again, now you're asking them, what was your proof of validation? Now you're telling them to immediately send me this information that you show, like how you verified this account and whatnot. You're getting them to actually do some work. You're getting them to do their due diligence. So now if that doesn't work, so now we're going to start disputing factual data, because this is a series of letters that you could send out to the credit bureaus. You know, there's many different ways that people have clean sweeps and things like that. I don't do that, because not everything needs to be deleted. It just needs to be updated. If you focus on putting more positive accounts in your credit report and then dispute the negatives, you'll be absolutely fine. So when you dispute factual data, you want to dispute the account type, account status, date open, balance terms, high balance, past due, and or payment status is incorrect. Pretty much saying that every line item is wrong. That's what you're saying. You're pretty much saying that everything that they're reporting is absolutely incorrect, challenging them, making them do their work. So now if it comes back after that, you just file your complaint with the CFPB. So now if you have late payments, you never admit guilt again. You just say, I was never late. You don't say, I was never late 30 days, May 14, 2022. I was never late 90 days. You don't say none of that. You just say, I was never late. And you just send that letter stating that you was never late on whatever account they're trying to say that you're late on. So the second letter would be, you're telling them that you didn't verify this late payment because it's coming back verified. And you're asking them, like, how did you do it? You kind of like putting them on the spot. Then the third letter would be, how did you verify this late payment? This is sort of like another method of verification, but it's not an actual method of verification letter. You're just stating the facts, stating how did you verify this late payment? What was the method that you used to verify this late payment? And the next letter after that, because they always want to play, you want to ask them for proof, transactional proof. Send me the bank records, transactional documents, send me anything that has my signature that determines your accuracy, because they're supposed to have this information if they're reporting this information. So if Consumer Reporting Agency is saying that you owe XYZ company, that information needs to be correct. Now, if none of these steps work, you're shit out of luck. So if you got any questions, follow me, let me know in the comments.